Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not from Kingmixup, it's not credible. And you already know the deal, my babes. My dad yourself for telling a while, go on for not to go on. You see me, so if you don't know by now, the host for Bang Hang Tuesday, he has been arrested along with like 6 other people. Yes, people, 6 Jamaican gang members have been arrested in Nassau County, Long Island, for distributions of firearms and narcotics. Listen, man, say, it's not a good look, my people, because you know the law is the law. No matter where you're in America, but you know, Long Island, them tend for not really giving no blight, even when you take a plea deal. Listen, man, say, as you can see, the type of artillery them I deal with, the police have been investigating them for like 14 months. It seems like one of them in the gang got pulled over and, got, cold feet and thought about the whole operations from the distribution for the guns, them and all of them thing there. Selling it also at a school and all of them thing there. You know what I mean? I shoot up in Suffolk County and all of them thing there. You see what I say? But yeah, it's going viral right now because a lot of these people, know these people through, the dancehall party and all of this stuff. So let's take a look at some of the charges because I'm saying, my people, it's not a good look for the younger brother, Andrew. You know what I mean? But with Robert, that's the host of Bang Hang Tuesday, he's just being charged for like sale of firearms and all of this stuff. They have a public defender at the moment. Not sure they're going to retain one in the future. But yeah, he's just facing some firearm sales charges. You see, man, say his brother's facing a similar, but he was selling, cocaine. You see, man, say, so the two of them have $1 million ban cash. You see, man, say 500,000. The other way of them can secure, insure bond for 250,000. That them are gonna deal with. You see, man, I say, but it's not a good look for them. You know what I mean? Especially the next one because it look like him have one graping case, But we won't put that out right now. But I'm just give you some update while going for that to go on with that. Now, rumors are spreading that, Blamdem is back in Jamaica again. Not on vacation, back on a deportation flight. You see, man, I say, I've been checking the system and he's been in the system and he's still in the system as we speak. However, he's being transferred around from, facility to facility. As you can see, he's no longer in a BOP as of June, 17th and all of this stuff. When he initially got arrested with ICE, they kept him at the Chrome facility, I think in Miami, Florida, you see what I'm saying? And he's been in there ever since, you know what I mean? But as you can see, they transferred him to the one Adams facility. I think that's in like Mississippi or one of them thing. I could be wrong. It could be California. But me think of Mississippi, you see me? And with this ICE system, them have to update it every 15 minutes because, people get out on bond and, them could be driving and get pulled over and the system will say them still have it and it's not a good look. So if me say ICE have him today, I still have him. Is he on his way to Jamaica? I don't know. Because, these facilities, get overcrowded and people get moved around and all of this stuff. You see me, I say, one of my linky, them did tell me, say, Blamdem was telling them, say, I'm going to honor life himself if he gets deported and stuff. So, how rumors spread, people just don't know. So probably, like I said, they're moving him from facility to facility. So, I'm there with a couple of people. And the boy them just see the boy them come pull him out of the cell and not come back. So them think deportation, no one say, one different state him get. But as soon as ICE not have him, me will let you know, you see me. So just subscribe to the channel and do the right thing. And turn on the notification bell to be notified when we chat the latest. And dancehall news, music reviews and gossips. Bless.